How to add disclaimer in Wix website. First of all, you have to log in into your Wix website and click on edit site, which is on the top right side corner. It will load and then the editor will open up here. Now here you have to go and click on this plus menu icon here. Now you have to go to these menus and searches, right? So you have to find this menus and pages, but if you're not able to find these pages, no worries, you can just go to the quick access here and you will get this option from here to add a page. But if you're not getting this from here, you will definitely get it from the left side. So just go to the pages here and you can just go and click on add a page and click on this plus icon. It can be a blank here, so I will just go and choose a blank page. I will rename this. I will just write here disclaimer, right? This is the name of my page and this is a page which will open up here. Now I can edit this style. For example, I want to add elements, right? Because without elements it won't be look like a disclaimer page here. By the way, you can also add a new page from the bottom. Now click on add, then selected embedded code here. So just go and click on add embedded. Now here, add an element, and here you will get this option of embedded and social. Now click on embedded code here, click on this plus icon. Now it will come up here. Now paste the HTML code into your editor and select update. Adjust the position of the box as needed, right? So for example, if you have made your disclaimer in a form or somewhere, you can paste it up here and it will look really nice from here. Now click on preview to see how it's look, and that's it. So this is how you can add. But for example, that you don't want to add this disclaimer part, so how you can do this? So let me just delete this up. Now here select this and go to this plus icon again. Now here you can just create a form. For example, contact and forms here, create a new form. So I can just go and click on create a new form here and I can just write the form just like how you add it in a page, right? So I can in this the form will appear here. Let it open. Now I can just customize this up, right? For example, if I want to add a long text, short text, or just a numbers, right? So in this way I can just customize this up and automatically this page will come up here in my disclaimer section. But there's a one more method. If you want a little bit more flexibility, just go to here, for example, section. So you can just go and add something like this, right? Layout tools or text you can add like this, right? So there's a several ways. I mean, Wix gives you a lot of flexibility as compared to other editors and softwares on website. So here you can do whatever you want and you can customize however you want. This is it. Thanks for watching.